Please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon. You'll be notified when Kalkine has a new video. I'm Sage for Kalkine Media. Thanks for joining us. Today we're covering a 1600% rally. What's brewing in the emerging lithium producer? Lithium demand and its price has been on an uptick as the world is moving to cut carbon emissions by switching to clean energy, and switching to electric vehicles is one of the steps. The primary demand for lithium has so far been driven by rechargeable batteries, which could bolster to new heights after the mainstream adoption of EVs. And being the lightest known metal, it is also used in various products to improve strength to weight ratios, such as alloys or in the aerospace industry. And demand for lithium has already started to see a positive trend as more hybrid vehicles are making their way to fill the time gap required for the mass production of electric vehicles, development of related infrastructure, etc. A billion-dollar emerging lithium player in Australia that's up over a mind-boggling 1,647.8% this year is Sayona Mining on the ASX as SYA. About the company. Sayona Mining is an ASX-listed exploration company primarily focused on the evaluation and exploration of lithium projects. The company also explores overseas projects, having two flagship projects in Canada, namely the Tanzim Lithium Project and the Orthia Lithium Project. Its Orthia Lithium Project comprises a hard rock spodumene lithium deposit, while the Tanzim Lithium Project comprises lithium tantalum and beryllium. Lithium and Sayona Mining's price performance. The primary reason behind a massive 1,647.48% price surge this year is the bolstering underlying demand for lithium. And with the demand for battery metals on the rise, shortages in the supply have clearly been seen, especially with its core ingredient lithium. SYA has delivered a massive return of 1,647.48% this year, while the last 1 year return stands at 2,183%. And compared with the broader markets, the ASX 200 has delivered an 11.86% in the same period, while the benchmark ASX 200 Materials Index is also lagging with a negative 1.81%. First quarter financial year 22 highlights. Currently, the company is trying to become net profitable and has noticeably reduced its net loss for the current year. In financial year 21, Sayona Mining reported a negative net income after taxes of 4.38 million Australian dollars, almost an 18.6% improvement over the financial year 20 numbers of negative 5.4 million Australian dollars. The underlying positive trend of lithium prices would further help the company towards achieving net profitability. And although lithium has seen a surge in demand recently, the market has already discounted that, and its prices have already surged over 400% this year. However, a multi-fold increase in its price in a relatively short span of time also raises an alarm for a short to intermediate term correction. Also, commodity-based businesses are cyclical in nature, and thereby they increase the importance of rightly timed investments. A period of stagnant or correcting prices of lithium might create hindrance towards the path of net profitability for the company, and therefore investors must do their due diligence. If you like this information, please like, share, comment on the video below. Subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon. You'll be notified when Kalkine has a new video. For more information and regular updates, head to the website. It's kalkinemedia.com. And my name's Sage for Kalkine Media.